Hello there. I welcome you here. Today we are going to discuss about top 10 job interview mistakes that you want to avoid. First thing is no preparation. Not being able to answer the question, what do you know about this company? It might just end your quest for employment, at least with this employer. So be prepared with what do you know about this company. Next thing is dress inappropriately. You will certainly want to wear a suit if you are interviewing for a professional position. If you aren't sure what to wear, visit the organization and watch employees coming in and out of the office to see what they are wearing. You can also search in Google, it may suggest you. It is always best thing to wear a formal dress for any interview. Next thing is poor communication skills. It's important to communicate well with everyone you met in a job search for employment. It is, however, most importantly to positively connect with the person who might hire you. Next thing is too much communication. Leave the phone behind or at least turn it off before your interview. And someone goes for coffee, food, and anything else other than you. Your resume, your job application, and your list of references. They don't belong at an interview. Next thing is talking too much, like blah blah blah. The interviewer really doesn't need to know your whole life story. Keep your answers sufficient to the point and focus. And don't ramble, simply answer the question. Next thing is not talking enough. It is really hard to communicate with someone who answers your questions with a word or two. So even though you shouldn't talk too much, you do want to be responsive and fully answer the question as best you can. Be remember that not talking too much is also affect your performance score. Next thing is fuzzy facts. Make sure you know the information you will need to complete an application, including dates of prior employment, graduation dates, and employer contact information. And eighth thing is giving wrong answer. Make sure you listen to the question and take a moment to gather your thoughts before you respond. I suggest you listen the question properly and read the between the lines so that it may help you to answer the question. Next thing is talking bad things about past employers. Suppose your last boss was an idiot. Anyone in the company was a jerk. You hated your job. I shouldn't wait to leave. Even this is a situation true, but don't say. And finally thing, forget to follow up. Afraid you didn't make the best impression. Are you sure that you ate the interview? Either way, be sure to follow up with the thank you note, reiterating your interest in the position and the company. Always suggest that ask the questions at the interviewer at the last point of the interview. It may showcase that your interviewer can know that you have an interest in your job. And these are the top 10 things you wanted to remember before you going for any interview. And first thing is no preparation, be prepared. Next thing is dress inappropriately. B. Dress properly, like formal dress and clean hairstyle. And next, poor communication skills. You wanted to avoid too much communication, also be harmful, so not too much communicate. Be adequate for the answer. In talking too much, like irrelevant answers, you wanted to avoid. Next, not talking enough. Like if they ask a question, you want to answer at least in 2 to 3 lines, not in 1 to 2 words. And avoid the fuzzy facts. You want to be remember all the dates and information what you have submitted in the resume. And next thing, you want to avoid giving wrong answer without listening the question. And next, talking bad things about past employers or past company. And finally, forget to follow up. And thank you for watching this video. It may help you in future or coming days. If you feel that this video is helpful, then subscribe and like to this channel. And thank you.